So you've seen them, those videos, they're all over YouTube. Chiropractic compilation of adjustments, hearing loud back cracking noises after chiropractic adjustments. So what is that cracking noise that sometimes we get after an adjustment and sometimes we don't? I want to dispel some of the myths and misconceptions about what that cracking noise is, and if it's useful, needed, or not needed.
Helping you relieve pain, conquer stress, and supercharge your health the chiropractic way.
Here we go. Number one, that cracking noise, that sound that's often heard after a chiropractic adjustment to the spine is actually called, in scientific terms, a cavitation. It's no different when you, quote unquote, crack your knuckles. You get a popping sound. So what happens is there's lubrication fluid called synovial fluid in the joints of your spine. And when the spine is placed through a certain range, it creates a pressurized system in that contained joint space where the fluid is. There's dissolved gas in that fluid. Now the dissolved gas forms into a little bubble, and then a split second, that bubble collapses and creates this popping noise. Sometimes they're small, and sometimes they're loud. Sometimes there's one, sometimes there's more than one. That's number one that I want to say. Number two, this is really important because I know these videos are very addicting to watch. People love to watch them for some reason. But a lot of people don't really get what chiropractic is all about. And the purpose of chiropractic adjustments is not to get a popping noise or cracking noise. It's very important to understand that. Number three, chiropractic adjustments are effective regardless of whether there's a cracking or popping noise or not. We don't need to acquire or have the effect of a popping or cracking noise during a chiropractic adjustment to make it physiologically effective in the body to help someone through their healing process. So that's very important to understand. Number four, people say sometimes that they feel good after getting those cracking noises. And when they don't get those cracking noises, they don't feel the same. The adjustment doesn't feel the same. Well, the research shows that that could be a placebo effect because physiologically, the chiropractic adjustment, when done right at the right location on the spine, where there's misaligned vertebra, actually has a neurologic and physiological effect in the body, a positive one. And lastly, number five, the purpose of chiropractic adjustments. The adjustment is a very specific protocol and method and correction to correct misaligned or distorted positions of vertebrae, which are spinal bones, which could be affecting the different tissues of the spine, like ligaments and muscles and nerves, and could be contributing to arthritic changes in the long run. So what the chiropractic adjustment does is specifically correct and improve the position and mobility and biomechanics of that spinal area that's been restricted in its position and motion for many, many years. And also it helps to enhance nervous system function. And many people get many great results, not just from relief of local pain or improvement in chronic pain, but a lot of other changes physiologically in their body because now their nervous systems function a lot better. Hope you found this useful, and as much as those videos are entertaining, I really want people to understand what the truth of chiropractic care is, and what the truth of the effect of an adjustment is, and how powerful it is in physiologically to help enhance someone's health. And if you're looking for more ways to see if chiropractic care is right for you or corrective chiropractic care is right for you for your particular ailment, leave me a comment in the comment section below, and we'll see if we can help find you a great chiropractor in your area. Dr. Walter here, and I'll talk to you in the next video.
To learn more about how corrective chiropractic care at Back to Health Chiropractic Center can help you with your chronic pain problem, visit www.ibthcc.com. Back to Health Chiropractic Center is located at 20 Cranston Park Avenue, number 6, Vaughan, Ontario, L6A2W2.